it is me, Esperanza. Welcome back to my channel. If you have been a bestie, I love you so much for your support. But if you are new, hey girl, I'm so excited for this video because today we are about to look so dang good. I'm about to give you my go-to baddie makeup look that is perfect for school, perfect for work, literally anything, and that is not expensive. Okay, we ain't about that. We baddies on a budget over here. This look has me feeling so confident, so put together, feeling like I could take on the world. It is literally such baddie vibe. We got the winged liner, we got the lashes, we got the on fleek brows, the base looks airbrushed and flawless, and we got the ombre sexy outlined lip. I hope you're excited because by the end of this video you are about to look like a whole baddie. So let's get into it, girl. We looking like baddies. I'm gonna be going in with the e.l.f. brow laminating kit. Oh, this is so good. The one thing about this tutorial is just because I'm giving you guys what I do, it is still customizable. You can do any style brow you like. I just love that brow laminating look. I love this kit because it is so quick and so easy, and I feel like it just makes my brows look snatched and natural. And this does not give me like that residue that the brow laminating gel does. My lips are so dry, they look like butthole lips. So I'm gonna go and take my Laneige lip sleeping mask, my little sample I got for a birthday kit. Don't mind my brows because they need a shave. So I'm gonna go in and conceal the brows with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Okay girl, so now that we have our brows concealed, I'm gonna be moving on to primer. To be honest with you, I haven't really been using as much primer as I've always have. I feel like my makeup has been looking pretty good without it. For today though, I am gonna be going in with a grippy serum, girl, because I want my makeup to last. Oh, ow! Okay, the face is getting sticky. We looking glowy, girl. Okay. I definitely want to have some little extra glow though, so I'm gonna put on some of this rose water spray. So for foundation today, I'm gonna be going in with the Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation. I've been having issues finding my shade because I'm coming out of a tan, so my skin's been ranging, girl. So I'm gonna have to be guessing. I always go and conceal the top of my brows first. This foundation's really runny, like, hello. Now for the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with this foundation brush. This is from Real Techniques. I feel like this brush just gives like amazing coverage, and you can literally go crazy with it, and it just blends so nicely. Ugh, I got that big pimple on my forehead. It's like a freaking crater under there. Ugh, girl. I was thinking about using those Starface pimple patches, but like, do they even work? For contour, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contouring Wand. These are so pretty. The whole line of this stuff is actually so good. Ooh, I think I put a little bit too much. Oh my gosh. I wanted to be snatched, but not this snatched. Okay, we'll take care of that in a second. Dang, girl. Girl, you want me to go to school like that? Girl, everybody would make fun of me. I would definitely not be a baddie. What you mean? Dude, why did I put so much? This is your friendly reminder to go really light-handed on that contouring stuff, because the bug man is supposed to be coming. I hope he does not come right now because I look. Girl, I am so glad we were able to save the contour. We did not have time to take it off. So then now I'm gonna go in with some blush. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Jelly Blush. I really do like the e.l.f. liquid blushes, but I recently just got this in my last video and I really like it. And it is a stain, and that's why I like it even more, especially if we're gonna be in school. I want my makeup to last. Now this stuff is so pigmented, but it dries so fast. I think it gives us like that flirty natural pink. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some concealers. So lately I've been really loving the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Full Wear. It is long lasting and it is full coverage. The only thing I don't like, I don't know if it's just me, but it has like a very strong chemical smell, and it used to kind of like burn my eyes a little bit whenever I would use it. But lately, I don't know if like I'm getting used to it or something, but it doesn't really bother me as much. This may feel like it's a lot of makeup or work for school, but it's really not once you do it all the time. Before I set my face, I want to use my e.l.f. Halo Glow highlighting wand in the shade IRL Angel. I feel like this is so pretty and so natural. Do y'all see? It's like such a natural glow. We're gonna put some on the nose here. We definitely want our nose to pop. Put some in the center. Okay, so let's quickly set our under eyes before it gets a little hard to blend out. I'm first gonna go in with some Makeup Revolution pressed powder in translucent. I love going in first with a pressed powder and then putting the loose powder on top. I feel like that gives me like the best coverage. I feel like it just makes me look more airbrushed as well. Now that we have the translucent on, I'm gonna go in with some Maybelline Fit Me. This powder is an OG. It is so good. Wait. Before we go in with that, I'm gonna go in with the Milani Suntan Silky Matte Bronzing Powder, just so I can go in over this liquid contour we did. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with that Maybelline powder, and I'm gonna go and set the rest of my face that I didn't. Now I'm gonna go and put a little bit of blush on top, just so we can set that blush. That's why I love doing the liquid contour and then putting the powder on top, because it really gives that longevity of the makeup. Now for the eyes, I'm just gonna go in with some contour powder on a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna put this in my crease just so we have some sort of shadow on our eyelid. I feel like just putting concealer and then powdering it and just leaving it, I feel like your eyes just kind of blend in with your base. It just makes like the biggest difference, and it looks like you did your makeup when you literally just put one shade. I'm gonna go and take a shimmer shade, and I'm gonna go put some on my eyelid here, just to give me a little bit of something, just to make my eyes pop. You can go with a matte shade if you don't like shimmer, but I love me some glitter. Okay, so now that we have our eyeshadow on, I'm gonna be going in with some liquid eyeliner. Wing eyeliner definitely gives me Baddie vibes. If you don't like doing wing liner, you don't know how, that's okay. While the eyeliner dries, I'm gonna go in and fill in my brows with the NYX Lift and Snatch. The brush is so fine pointed, like it definitely just gives me that natural look that I love. Okay, the brows are done. I'm first gonna go in and curl my lashes and get them ready for mascara. I love using the Maybelline Lash Sensational in waterproof, especially because it's hot outside. We're gonna be sweating. Now before I go in and put some mascara on the waterline, I am gonna go in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in white. Now you can go in with black eyeliner if you want for the extra dramaticness, but for today, because my outfit has white and I definitely just want to look more awake today and more girly, not so like dramatic, I love the white eyeliner for that reason, because I feel like it just opens up my eyes, and I always get compliments all the time that I look more awake. So for lashes, I'm gonna go in with one of these. I got a whole pack of this on Amazon, I think for like $10 to $15, so it's literally not bad. Like literally when the price of a lash at Walmart can go up to like $12.99 for one pair. Girl! So I'm gonna go in with these ones. Okay, let's go see how this is gonna look and like my vibe. Oh yes, these are gonna be so good. I like these. If you find yourself struggling with lashes and how to even put them on, where to start, don't worry. I just posted a whole video a couple of days ago. Okay girl, so the second to last thing we are going to do is our lips. I do not have any lip liner, which is okay. I'm just gonna go in with some eyeshadow. I'm gonna go take some brown eyeshadow and use this as my lip liner. Now I do want to do a gradient sort of lip here, so I'm gonna bring the eyeshadow down. This lip is my ultimate go-to lip. You can go in with some concealer in the middle and put a clear gloss. You can put in a pink gloss on top. I might do that because I do have a plumping lip gloss. I'm gonna see how this one looks on top if I'm feeling the vibe. Yeah, actually. Yo, look at this lip combo. This is so pretty. So this gloss, I didn't say, is a Maybelline Plump Gloss, of course, in the shade Pink Sting. Now, of course, girl, we gotta set the face. I'm gonna go in with the Milani and make it last original. This is so good. But yeah, girl, okay. We are all done. We are officially ready for school. I don't know about you, but I definitely just feel like that Baddie, like the outfit, you can't really see, but it's like a skin tight dress. We got the hair, we got the wing liner, the lashes, the lips. The base is looking smooth and airbrushed, girl. Like, girl, if you do not have a everyday go-to makeup routine, I highly recommend you go and find what that is, and then you don't have to try all these different products. You're always guessing what you want to do. You will know that the technique works, you will know the products work, and you know your makeup will look flawless every time. So it is definitely good to have a staple. But for that, this is that. We just look snatched. I love this. I feel so good right now, and I hope you do too if you tried it out with me. But if you haven't tried it out, you are definitely going to feel good. Thank me later. I hope you try out this lip because the lips are just so attractive. Like, I am so obsessed right now, you guys. As always, if you do recreate any of my looks, go ahead and tag me at Esperanza Marie. If you guys have any sort of questions about this look right here, or any questions about anything else, you want to see video recommendations, go ahead and comment them down below. I just love to chat with you guys. I love you so much, my bestie. And I will see you in another video, right? I hope so. I love you so much for supporting me. Bye.